Welcome to Code to Enhance Learning CS Unplugged video series, a video series to learn about exciting computer science concepts used to design computers and applications through fun activities without using computers. Get ready to think, be creative, and boost your 21st century skills to thrive in this innovative world. Suppose you have a business of carrying vegetables from the village to the town in your truck. The vegetables are packed in boxes such that you can carry the whole box of that particular vegetable, or you leave it. Your truck has limited space and you cannot carry all the vegetables. What is the best way to select the vegetables? One way is to choose the lightest vegetables like tomatoes and potatoes in order to carry a lot of vegetables. But their price may be low and you may not profit the most. Another way is to choose to transport the most expensive vegetables, but you may not be able to carry a lot of them because they are heavy. So what do? Computer science recreates this question in the form of the 0-1 knapsack problem. 0-1 means you either pick the item or ignore it. You cannot carry a fraction of the item. Knapsack is a carrying bag. The objective is to put the most useful or valuable items in the bag. An application of that would be in smartphones, which have less memory, but you want a certain number of apps to be loaded. How will the phone decide which apps to keep in memory and which to discard? Learning the knapsack problem will give you a beginner's understanding of how computers with limited RAM can manage apps in memory in an optimum way. Apart from phones, the solution to the 0-1 knapsack problem is used in biology and wireless networks. As you solve the knapsack problem, you will develop critical thinking skills and numerical aptitude. For the purpose of explanation, I am taking a simple example. In real life, there might be hundreds of items. I have vegetables such as onion, potato, tomato, and garlic, as we can see in the table. Let the total carrying capacity be 60 kg. I have listed the prices of each vegetable as well. Remember that I have to take a complete package of a vegetable if I choose it. I cannot take 5 kg of onion. We'll find the most money we can make by selling vegetables at different capacities of the truck. Starting from 0 kg, we'll increase our weight by 10 kg till we reach 60 kg. At the same time, we will take the vegetable one by one and see for the different capacities whether we should put the vegetable in the truck or skip it. Create a table. The columns of the table represents the weights starting from 0 to 60 kg and the rows represent the vegetables. The first row represents no vegetable. The first row says that I have no items, so I make 0 rupees. The first column says I have a capacity of 0 kgs, so I make again 0 rupees. To the second row, second column. We have the onion with a weight of 10 kg and my carrying capacity is 10 kg. If I want to ignore the onion, I look at the cell directly above. It is 0. If I choose to add the onion to my truck, my capacity will reduce to 0. In the process, I make 5 rupees. Which is greater? 5 is greater. I put 5 in the cell and I fill rest of the values in the row as 5 because we only have the onion at this point. In the third row, we have the potato with a weight of 30 kg. The second and third column has a capacity of less than 30 kg. So I take the values from the cell directly above. At 30 kg, I check the value above my current cell. It is 5. If I choose to add the potato, I make 3 rupees and I don't have any place left in the truck. Between 3 and 5, 5 is the greater value. So I put 5 in the cell. Moving to the next cell, I have a carrying capacity of 40 kg. I look at the cell directly above. The value is 5. I subtract 30 kg from 40 kg to get 10 kg. The value in the cell directly above the row corresponding to 10 kg is 5. I add 3, the price of the potato, and 5, the value in the cell above, to get 8. I choose 8 because 8 is greater than 5. In this way, we can fill the table. The completed table looks like this. I encourage you to try and fill the table for yourself. Next, we are going to find which vegetables to pick. We are going to start at the last cell of the table. We will check if that value is present in the row above. If it is, we are going to skip the vegetable. If it isn't, we are going to pick the vegetable and subtract the price of the vegetable from the value in the cell and move up the row. The last value in the table is 17. Is 17 present in the row above? No. Pick the garlic. Subtract the price of the garlic to get 13. Move to the fourth row. Is 13 present in the third row? No. Pick the tomato. Subtract the cost of the tomato to get 5. Move to the third row. Is 5 present in the second row? Yes. So we ignore the potato. Move to the second row. Is 5 present in the first row? No. Choose the onion. Subtract the price of the onion from 5 to get 0, and we are done. To conclude, we have to pick the onion, tomato and the garlic to get the maximum profit. In this video, we learnt about a famous technique to select things having more value when there are certain limitations. Think of your daily life. You might have too many things to do, but not enough time. The solution to the 0-1 knapsack problem might be your answer.